All right, our old friend, the triangular prism here. So if you've gotten pretty good at these volume things, hopefully you're looking at this and saying to yourself, all right, that's not the base, even though it's sitting on the bottom, because the base has to be a shape that there are two identical parallel shapes in this thing. So for this, the bases are going to be, because there's always two bases, that triangle and that triangle. Because again, this is a prism. So its volume equals area of the base times the height, but then this is the triangle. So we have to make sure we're careful there. So we got to get all of that done first. Then when I look at this, I have inches, inches, feet. That's a problem. All right, now I don't know what to convert it to, but then if I look here, it says cubic inches. So everything needs to be in inches. So I'm going to figure out what 1.5 feet is in inches. So this is feet on top, inches on the bottom, just to make sure everyone sees what I'm doing. So it's going to be x equals 18. That's the inches. So I'm going to go back to here. I'm going to put my dimensions on there. So ST is 8, MR is 12, and RG is 18. And I'm not going to put the 1.5 in there. I'm going to put the 18 on there. So everything is in inches. So then if I go ahead and do this, it's going to be 1/2 times base times height for the triangle. So 1/2 times 12 times 8. That is this guy, which is the triangle, which is that. All right, so all of that in yellow is the area of the base. And then the height is going to be 18. And remember, that height is this dimension right here, because if we reoriented that shape so that the triangle was actually sitting on the bottom, on the ground, that's how tall it would stand up in the air. And another way to remember it is it's the distance between the two bases of your shape. So once I've got that, I just got to put it into the calculator. It's 1/2 times, so 12, 8, and 18, yes. 12 times 8 times 18. 864. So 864. That's what my volume would be for that in cubic inches.